This video tutorial will show you a live demonstration of how to create your personal account on EBSCO and JSTOR so that you can save your content and save your searches. So first of all, we will go to EBSCO. Just go to the Carlow College homepage and click on Library. Remember, there's a number of ways you can access EBSCO online. You can click on our collections. And if you go to our online resources and click on databases, so here is a link to all the databases you can access as a student of Carlow College. And this is the link for EBSCO. So if you click on that, you'll be brought to EBSCO. You do have to sign in with a user ID and password, so just contact a librarian at librarycc@carlowcollege.ie for this. But I'm going to go back and I want to access EBSCO via the library catalogue. So you log in over here with your student number and your PIN. If you haven't got your PIN, just ask a librarian for what it is and they will send it out to you. So just click on the EBSCO logo to access EBSCO. And now to create your own personal account, click on Sign In up here. Once you've one created, you will log in here, sign in, but to create one, just click on Create One now. Fill in all those details, make sure to write down your password so that you don't forget, and once you've all that filled in, you'll be able to click on Continue and then you'll be able to sign in. So I'm just going to go back to EBSCO and do it fresh. So I'll click on the EBSCO logo. To sign into my personal account, I will click on Sign In up here. And now I will log in here. So you can see up the top, not Catherine, so that's how you know you're successfully logged in. I'm just going to do a sample search. Social media, using my quotation marks, keep the term together, and effects. I'm going to type in democracy. Now every time I click search, EBSCO is actually recording this for me. Now make sure that you are signed in. Sometimes people think they're signed in and that everything is being recorded, but they haven't. So make sure you've signed in or else your searches won't be recorded. So here's a book, an ebook. If I wanted to add this to my ebook collection, I would just click on this folder icon here and now it's sitting in my folder unless I remove it. If I want to read this ebook, I will just click on PDF full text. So let's do another search. Or impact or consequences. Click on search. Here is a journal article. If I wanted to read it, I would just click on PDF full text. If it was useful, I'm going to add it to my folder. So now, if you want to save your searches, just click on Search History. So here we can see search 1 and 2. I did 2 searches. If I want to save those, you can see my keywords that I've entered are all there. So I'll just click on both of them and go to Save Searches. And I'm going to call this Social Media Essay 1. By default, it's selected that it's permanently saved, so it'll be saved permanently unless you remove it. And there it is. So if I come back another day and I want to find that search again, or any ebooks, everything that I've saved, just click on, well, I'm in my folder now, yeah. So you can see I've articles, I've 17 articles saved altogether. I've 35 ebooks, and I've 30 searches saved. So let's find the social media 2. I want to retrieve that search and rerun it. Or social media 1. I just click on this, received, retrieve saved search. And there it is. So if this had yielded really good results, I can just click on this and here it is. It brings back up the page that I was looking at. So that's how you create your folder on EBSCO. Now we will go to JSTOR. I'll go back to the library catalogue, click on the JSTOR logo. When you are at home, you are going to see this page. So first of all, you will have to log in there with the username and password. You can contact a librarian for this. And once you're successfully logged in, you'll see this up the top. So that's how you know you're logged in. Now, if you wanted to create your own personal account, click on Register. So just fill in these details here. You can use your college email. For role, you can click on graduate student or whatever. These kind of details don't really matter. And then just click Register. Then you have your account created. So again, I'm just going to go back and do this fresh. You're signing in freshly. So click on JSTOR. You will sign in with your Carlow College, your user ID and password. Then when you've logged in, you'll see this up the top. Now you will sign into your personal account. I'm going to enter mine here. And my password. And click on Login. So now I can see, here's my personal account. So if I want to create a folder, click on Workspace. And I will click Create Folder. And I'm going to call this again, Social Media Essay. And we can see it there and not item. So I'm going to do a search. I'm going to click on Advanced Search. I'm going to type in social media and effects and democracy. Submit advanced search. So if I wanted to save this article, just click on it. I will click on save. Now I can create a new folder if I want, but I want to save it in my social media essay. And now I can view it in my workspace. So very easy to do. I highly recommend creating your personal accounts and folders because it makes sure that you're not going back trying to search for content that you found very useful. If you would like any further assistance with any of this, just contact one of our librarians at librarycc@carlowcollege.ie, attend one of our workshops, and you can always arrange a one-to-one with one of our librarians as well.